Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you low-maintenance landscaping ideas for your large yards. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. It goes without saying that the less garden you have to tend to, the lower maintenance there will be, and there's a ton of clever options when it comes to landscaping ideas to achieve this. If a garden needing little to no care is your dream, and you're in need of tried and true landscaping ideas, consider these pro ideas to keep your yard as low maintenance as possible. Number 1. Make use of potted plants. Incorporating pots into landscaping not only makes a yard more low maintenance, but also more versatile. Pots are easy to move around. If you're having a party on your patio, you can move them to that area. For an added pop of color, coordinate the flowers to the season. Try whites and pinks in the spring and summer, and switch to yellows and reds in the fall. Number 2. Automatic irrigation systems. The lawns and plants in your gardens need regular watering to stay green and keep growing. Watering the extensive lawns and gardens is difficult, so it is better to install the automatic irrigation systems in your yard that can fulfill the watering requirements automatically. However, you need to operate the automatic irrigation system as per the automation involved. Number 3. Consider artificial grass. There's no need to mow it, there's no need to water it, and once it's properly placed, there's no maintenance moving forward. And you don't have to worry about it drying out in the sun, bald patches, and having to reseed it. Though visually deceptive, this is the easiest of all landscaping ideas. Artificial grass comes at a price. It's certainly not on the list of cheap landscaping ideas, but if you need low maintenance care and want the effect of grass, this is a smart way to go. Number 4. Create multiple outdoor living areas. Creating multiple outdoor living areas to cover a large area may not include one or more patios or decks. You will likely want to have at least some solid ground for entertaining, so a patio is a good idea, but you can mix this with gravel areas, artificial turf areas, and garden areas to create separate spaces. Number 5. Merge your deck and patio. The combination of decks and patios is an ingenious way to create a functional space and heighten visual appeal. Build a patio off your existing deck using unique materials like stone pavers or brick to add intrigue to your space. By connecting the deck and the patio, you increase your usable space, which makes the area more fluid for everyday enjoyment and entertaining. Number 6. Low-maintenance ornamental grass. There are many ornamental grasses that are both beautiful and low maintenance. These grasses are not for walking on. Rather, they fill in a space with their texture, height, foliage colors, floral displays, and more. They come in a wide array of appearances and growing requirements, so you're bound to find a species that is suitable for your yard. Number 7. Grow native plants. Native plants are ones that are local to your specific area. Since they're already adapted to the environment, they generally require less water, fertilizer, and sunlight than other options. They're also more likely to withstand local weather patterns. Many areas have various native plants to choose from, so you can design a beautiful, low-maintenance garden with plenty of colors, textures, and flower and vegetation varieties. Number 8. Create space for living. Not all yard space needs to be dedicated to gardens and grass. Put aside traditional landscaping ideas and create an outdoor living space, rather than settling on a lawn. Just keep your plan simple if maintenance is a concern. Multiple levels, walkways, and water features can become obstacles when mowing, weeding, or updating the design in the future. Number 9. Rock gardens. Rock gardens are the plants that are drought tolerant and do not need frequent watering. There are a variety of rock garden plants available in the markets that require low maintenance. You can select the flowers and bushes that suit your landscape and plant them in your garden. They don't need frequent watering or weeding and grow in almost any environment. Number 10. Personalized landscaping stones. If you use stone in landscaping beds, consider how much wind your region gets and how the stone will match the aesthetic of your home. Pea stone comes in different sizes, so you can get a 3/4 inch stone if you're worried about wind. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.